Hi everybody and welcome back to another Goldie Reacts. As you can see from my shirt, this time we're reacting to Stray Kids The Sound music video. I am so excited because I consider myself a stay. Like, hello. Well, you cannot probably see the albums, but like they're all here. I've spent so much money on the group that I deserve to actually react. I mean, overreact to them. But yeah, anyway, maybe I'm a little bit biased. But, anyways, before continuing, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's go into it because I cannot. I actually delayed this reaction way too much. Way too much. In 3, 2, 1, yes. Come on, Stray Kids, come on. Come on. They're also preparing their Korean comeback. Come on. Oh.
The crowd's gonna follow us to kill, bang bang, gotta shut it out now. Oh, nothing better. Yeah, nothing better. 야미 못해라 시다스 하지 말이 no spotlight. This is the sound, it's the sound.
It has a little bit of thunderous, like. I'm biased. Okay. Get it, Songbin. Oh, it has a little bit of Levante too. What's going on? Hello? Okay, wait. What's going on with Stray Kids and their Japanese tracks? Why are they all so emotional? Even though this was like, it wasn't a ballad, but what's going on? Oh my god. Okay, it had, as far as I can understand, it had a lot of Easter eggs. Like, you have like the thunders, you have like the blue light, and also like the guitars, the transitions. It connects everything back to Thunderous. Also, the tornado, it remind me of Levanter. I don't know, maybe the aesthetics. But holy sh! What can we do actually about the storyline? Because I'm still confused. I loved it. I loved everything except Hyunjin's hair. I mean, the haircut. Like, boy, please. Like, it was like, mm-mm, mm-mm. But yeah. Anyway, Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. Stand Stray Kids because you make Stray Kids stay. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
闇を照らし出す始まりのスパ